All right, guys, so this is Check Your Understanding number 3. As always, I am going to be sharing my screen so that we can do this. All right, so let's see. So we are simplifying with more than one set of like terms. So as you can see, there will be more than one like term. If you look at this question, as you can see, inside the root symbol, there's an M and there's an N, right? So those two cannot go together. But this 7 root of m and this negative 3 root of m can go together. And what would you have? 7 minus 3, that would be 4 root of m. What else? 2 root of n and 5 root of n would go together. That would be plus 7 root of m. Now, guys, that is the final answer you're going to have. You cannot put 4 root of m plus 7 root of n together, just like terms, all right? Next one. In here, it appears that all of them have negative 3b inside, all right? Now, some kids would make the mistake here of thinking that, oh, so all of these four terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, can go together. You have to understand that only this term and this term have cube roots, while this one and this one have square roots. So only these two would go together and these two. You got it? So 2 cube root of negative 3b minus 9 cube root of negative 3b would be what? 2 minus 9, that's negative 7 cube root of negative 3b, while 8 cube root of negative 3b plus 3 cube root of negative 3b would be 11, or not cube root, square root of negative 3b, sorry. All right? So once again, just be careful. Always check your answers. So only these two would go together, and only these two would go together. All right. Let's move on to letter C. Letter C. So this has an A, and this has an A. Probably those two would go together eventually. This has a B. This has a B. Okay. So wait a minute. This is B cubed. So let's see. All right. Let's simplify it first, and let's see what happens. All right. 3 root of 32a to the fifth minus 2 root of 45b cubed plus 5b root of 125b minus 2a root of 72a cubed. All right. So this is the practice work that I will ask you to do. Anyway, so let's simplify this first. So 32 can be 16 times 2. All right, a to the fifth minus 2 times root of 9 times 5 b cubed plus 5b root of 25 times 5b minus 2a root of 36 times 2a cubed. All right. So let's see. Let's simplify one at a time. So this one, the 16 has a square root, which is 4. It's multiplied by 3 as it goes out. It becomes 12. Now, what else can have a square root? This a to the fifth. Oh, that a to the fifth is a to the fourth times a, isn't it? And then that a to the fourth would have a square root, a squared. All right. And what's left inside is 2a. Okay. So at this time, when I simplify this radical into this one, if that is not really clear, stop the video and then rewind and watch it again. All right. So let's look at this one. So the 9 has a square root, comes out, which is a 3 multiplied by the 2 is a 6. What else? This b cubed is b squared times b. So that b squared would have a b coming outside. So that means what's left inside is 5b. All right. So this one here, the 25, would have a square root, which is 5, multiplied by 5b, that would be plus 25b. Well, this one here, all right, 36 has a square root, which is 6, multiplied by the 2a, would be minus 12a. All right. What else can come out? Oh, this a cubed, that a cubed, this a squared times a. So you have another a to come out. So you multiplied by the a originally outside. So that's a squared times the square root of 2a. Okay. So let's see. Which one has a root of 2a? This one and this one. And there's an a squared with it. Okay. So 12a squared minus 12a squared. Ooh, this one and this one becomes a 0. While this one, negative 6b plus 25b root 5b would be 19b root of 5b. And there's your answer. And thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, this is your, again, that is your practice work, page 114, number 6b. Bye now.